Make a great choice today with the 2018 Altima. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, internet radio, iHeartRadio, Nissan Connect, satellite communications, cruise control, trip computer, multifunction display. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.